Do you want to do the intro, honey?
No, go ahead.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Everybody, Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and sweet Mr. Dave, you all know how sweet and kind and loving he is. He got a special prize in the mail today, and he is super, super, super excited to open it for you. So let's let him do that. Look how excited he is.
I'm all a quiver.
Look at a quiver, honey.
I quiver.
He's all a quiver.
Does it? It's not.
It's not ticking.
That's a bonus. Who wrapped this thing?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
I was gonna say, don't you have a knife?
Well, I did have one.
Until it got belly lint?
It got belly lint in it and stuff. Hope I didn't cut nothing there.
I hope you didn't too.
Oh no. Got the sleeve on.
Who's it from, honey?
From them girls.
From them girls. Your favorite girls.
Yes.
Look at that smile, Vineyard Chicks.
And it's my t-shirt. Oh, and something breakable. And their CD. All right.
And see your special shirt, honey.
There you go.
Special one-of-a-kind Dave Vineyard Chick shirt.
My shirt.
Look at that. That's fabulous. Okay, now you gotta go put it on.
I gotta go put it on.
Yeah. Me, Mom, is Lorrie and Mr. Dave. Okay, well, we'll let Mr. Dave open it.
Go ahead, well.
I have the camera, honey. I can't hold the camera and open the card at the same time.
Well, I can't put my shirt on and open the card at the same time neither.
Well, okay then. Do one at a time, sweet baby.
Oh, listen to that.
Sweet baby Dave.
All right, to God in the highest.
Glory to God in the highest.
I can't read. I have my glasses.
Here, I'll hold it so y'all can read it with me. Me, Mom, is Lorrie and Mr. Dave. May the wonders of his birth fill you with joy, thankfulness, and praise. Christmas blessings. Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. Thank you for everything. Love you three. We hope you enjoy our CD. Vineyard Chicks, KK Trey and Bunky, Joe and Marianne. Mom and Dad.
Well, really.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was two other kids that were there hiding. You know.
They're hiding on us.
Yeah. All right, you two can't do nothing.
Okay, go put that shirt on.
You can't be part of the family.
Let's have you model.
Oh, God. I have me model.
He's off putting her shirt on. I'm going to show you guys the other special Christmas card that I got. This one is from Gail Southern Living. And she's so sweet. She sent out Christmas. I didn't send out any Christmas cards this year. Mine were buried in a box in the storage room until mid-December. So maybe next year. I actually haven't sent out cards for several years. But thank you, Gail, for the card. That was very sweet. It really was. Back there and do a model walk.
Oh, what?
A model walk.
A model walk?
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking
You gotta do like this. Come on.
It's a little tight.
It's perfect.
There's my shirt.
Look at that. Now do some poses in it.
Oh, forget it.
Come on. At least one pose.
How's that?
How about a muscle man pose?
No.
How about a hello pose?
Hi.
Okay, do you have anything to say?
Thank you. Now I gotta fill my end of the bargain.
Yeah, you gotta fulfill your end of bargain. Look at his beard is growing. He's letting it grow out, so it'll be a little bit long.
A little bit.
We're gonna talk about doing it on our next live, maybe. Or we might wait for the one after that.
All right.
fans.
That's enough, Lorrie.
Thanks for watching.
I already said that.
Well, I didn't.
Well, then turn it around and say it.
No, I like to have it on you.
Why?
Because you're special.
Oh, yeah, I'm special, all right.
You're adorable, and I love your shirt.
Thanks.